The rapid innovation driving Tesla's success. Tesla. They at present make 4 unique electric vehicles, and in 2021, they sold the first and third most famous electric vehicles around the world. For what reason does the financial exchange, which is in a real sense 80% expert cash supervisors, give Tesla such a huge valuation, the biggest valuation of any vehicle organization on the planet? The response is Tesla and Elon Musk's unparalleled commitment to item and assembling advancement. Elon Musk opened the Texas Gigafactory on the 8th of April this year. What's more, with this totally new plant additionally comes 3 significant developments that assist with pushing Tesla much further in front of their rivals. As may be obvious, the Texas Giga manufacturing plant has a significantly more smoothed-out creation process versus where they began in Fremont back in 2010. Also, that is on the grounds that, over the long haul, Tesla have fixated themselves with working on the vehicles, however the production lines that form them. Basically, they need to control as a large part of the creation cycle as possible, since this means they can continually fiddle with the plan of their vehicles to reliably improve them. Furthermore, in the Texas Giga plant, that benefit is currently truly radiating through, in light of the fact that, curiously, the Model Ys emerging from this production line are not equivalent to the Model Ys that began creation at their Fremont manufacturing plant a couple of years prior. Tesla's attention on vertical combination has given them the adaptability to really return to the planning phase and upgrade the whole design of the Model Y and how it's implicit this new industrial facility. On the off chance that we see Tesla's Model 3, which is their most current vehicle, before the Model Y, this is what the body structure resembles. But since of Tesla's tenacious quest for development and more noteworthy proficiency, they returned to the planning phase and began once again with a totally new assembling method. However, presently, in this processing plant, they utilize immense projecting machines to project a strong piece of metal for the front of the vehicle, strong piece of metal for the back of the vehicle basically. Furthermore, what this implies Tesla removes a monstrous piece of intricacy, time to fabricate, weight, and, critically, cost. At last, this gives Tesla a monstrous benefit over other vehicle organizations, as their edges are higher. Have put them far in front of any remaining EV programs. As was talked about at Tesla's battery date in September of 2020, over the long haul, the upgrades to the expense each kilowatt-hour of battery creation were sadly leveling. Presently, this was a major issue for Tesla, as the battery pack is the most costly piece of the vehicle, and it's the thing's been keeping EVs equivalently more costly than gas-powered motor vehicles. They planned a progressive new tablet battery cell engineering, greater, better cells that were 100% enhanced for use in Tesla's vehicles. Also, the outcome this battery cell design, planned and made by Tesla themselves, lessens the expense each kilowatt-hour by 14%. Indeed, you heard accurately. At the point when you additionally calculate the developments and efficiencies in Tesla's battery fabricating process, that adds one more 18% decrease in cost. Calculate changes to the anode 5% decrease in cost, cathode 12%. The battery pack currently being an underlying centerpiece of the vehicle 7% generally. The development and re-engineering of this entire cycle give Tesla a 56% decrease in cost each kilowatt-hour of battery creation. What's more, you got it. This moment, Tesla are the ones in particular that are making this progressive new battery cell surprisingly better. So besides the fact that you have enhancements to the production line itself at Gigafactory, Texas, you likewise have significant efficiencies in the assembling of the vehicle body and significant developments to bring down the expense of that battery pack. So while it very well may wear out, take a gander at a monstrous vehicle processing plant, this new Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, truly holds the key to Tesla's future.